You have to learn how to lose. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're doing well. If you haven't already, please subscribe, comment, like and share this video if you enjoy it, and let's get right into it. So in life, you have to learn how to lose. It's inevitable. You're going to lose. You're not going to be successful at every single thing. You're going to fail. If you're trying out something new, something that you've never done before, chances are you will fail, and it's all about learning how to lose. I know that it sounds contradicting, because obviously we're always striving to win, to become the best versions of ourselves, but with that you have to also learn how to lose, because it's guaranteed to happen. You're going to fail, you're going to lose, but it's all about how you handle yourself when you've lost. How do you handle yourself when you haven't gotten what you thought you would get? How do you handle yourself when your business has failed, when you failed an exam, when your relationship has ended, when you've gained weight? It's all about you being in charge of your emotions. It's all about you controlling how you lose. The key thing is not to give up when you've lost. There are times when you hit a brick wall where everything is falling apart, and anything that can go wrong goes wrong, and you're wondering, how is this possible? Someone must have it out for me. But it's important to be able to realize, you know what, losing is part of the game. You will lose, but how do you pick yourself up from it? You will lose, but are you going to be the type of person that tries to start a business, it fails, and you just never put yourself out there? Or you try to actually get into a relationship, it doesn't work out, and you never date again? Or you try to do your driving test, you fail once, and you never learn how to drive. So it's all about learning how to lose. Yes, it's painful, it's excruciating, it's hard to lose, but you have to realize, you know what, I've lost, fine, I'm going to pick myself up and get back up again. I've lost, but how am I reacting to it? Am I just going to walk around like the world owes me everything, or I deserve this, or I didn't get it, so I'm just going to sulk? So you have to be able to manage your emotions, realize, okay, this is all part of the game, but I'm picking myself up. I'm going to come back bigger and even better. I'm going to put my all, if not more than I did before. And if it doesn't work out, I understand. I'll just take a different angle. The key is not giving up when you've lost. The key is realigning your strategy, figuring out different ways you could have to attain whatever it is, whether it's losing weight. If you realize, okay, maybe dieting's not working out, maybe I can start walking more and eating less calories. Okay, and then if that doesn't work out, maybe I'll hire a personal trainer. It's all about figuring out ways you can actually get to your goal. Don't be a sore loser. You're going to lose. Don't be so quick to give up on something that you've always wanted because you've lost once. Good things take time, and they're usually the hardest to get. Imagine how much joy you're going to feel when you've achieved whatever you wanted to achieve, when you've finally gotten to the ideal weight, when you find your business is finally thriving, and you think back to a point where you almost gave up. So it's important to learn how to lose. Make sure that you're not giving up on yourself at the first roadblock you face, at the first obstacle. Just keep going, okay? Thank you for joining me today. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section below, and I'll see you on my next one.